Hi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be making a little bucket hat for my cat. So I did get a cat recently and we are taking her on some hikes, and to protect her little head from the sun I thought I could make her a little bucket hat. And yeah, so this is just gonna be a little tutorial, little tryout session, and I hope you enjoy. So first, of course, I let Luna choose the color of the hat. So maybe it's not perfect method, I just put a bunch of colors and some snacks, and yeah, she chose this lilac, which I'm not mad about because I do really like this color. You approve this color? So first, just take your yarn and crochet hook. So I used cotton yarn by Paintbox. So we're gonna start by doing a magic circle and then chain 2, and then crochet 5 additional double crochet stitches in the circle. You can also do this with just chain 4 connected with a slip stitch and do double crochets in that little circle you make. I just thought this is slightly less yarn, so it might be a bit more comfortable for the cat. And after, just gonna pull this so it's nice and secure. And then for the very first one, you're just gonna do a slip stitch. So it's a nice little circle. And then again, you're gonna chain 2. And you're gonna do increases in each stitch. So still double crochet, so you're gonna put double crochet here. Because this one already works as double crochet, you kind of do just one here, and then after 2 double crochets in each stitch. And in the end it should be 12 stitches in total. And after you're done with your last stitch, you're gonna connect this circle with a slip stitch. So just take your hook, put it in the first stitch, pull through, and then pull through again. And then it's nice and connected. And now for the third row, we're just gonna do every other stitch, we're gonna do an increase. So chain 2, and then we're gonna do an increase here. And then just a normal double crochet here. And again an increase here, so 2 double crochets. And keep doing this until you reach the end, and in the end you should have 18 stitches in total. And when you reach the end, you just do again connect everything with a slip stitch. So, and you have your little circle. And now, after I measured it to Luna, I can see that this is enough, and all I need to do is her ear loops. So chain 2, and then we're gonna do 7 double crochets. And now we're gonna chain 15. And we're gonna skip 2 chains, so 1, 2, and here we're gonna do double crochet. And this is gonna be a hole for the cat's ear. And here we need to keep 2 stitches free, so to skip the same way. And for here we're gonna do every other stitch is gonna be an increase. So we did here was just single double crochet, and now here we're gonna do an increase, so 2 double crochets. Then again here a single double crochet, then an increase, 2 double crochets, then again 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets. And again here we're gonna chain 15. And then we're gonna connect at the front here with the first stitch. And here you have 2 little holes for the ears. So this is the back and this is the front. And now for the next row, we're gonna just do double crochets all around with no increases. And for this gap here, we're just gonna do 15 double crochets inside it. So let's chain 2. So it should start looking like this, kind of wrap around it. And just continue doing that till you reach the end, and I'm gonna meet you there. And after you're done, you should have something like this. So 2 little holes for the ears, and like it's kind of forming the brim. And now for the last 2 rows, we're gonna do 1 row of just double crochets all around, and the second row you're just gonna do increase in each stitch. So and then you should have something like this. So you can see here is just normal, in each stitch 1 double crochet, and at the very last row I did 2 double crochets in each stitch. And so that's how it looks, just flat. You obviously cut off the yarns, weave in the ends. I still need to weave in this circle. And the last bit is to add little straps so it actually stays on your cat's head. So for the strap, I'm just gonna do 2 chains and then attach them like in the middle here. So let's just do 2 chains, so we don't need to be too long because the cat's head are usually quite small. So I just did 30 stitches, I think that should be long enough. I'm just gonna fasten this off. So I've made one and now we're gonna do a second one the same way, and I'm gonna meet you when I have both of them ready. Now after I have both of the straps ready, just gonna take one of them. So I'm gonna attach it kind of in the middle of each ear. So just here. So just gonna do it very simple way, and actually just gonna do a knot. And you do the same way on the other side. So when you have these 2 little straps, and now the last bit is just to weave in your ends and actually put it on your cat. So when after everything is done, you can put it on your cat and hopefully she likes it. Luna was not really a fan, sadly. Like, she was chill with it when she was kind of half asleep, but when she was fully awake, she was very, very against it. So I think she's not gonna be wearing this hat, which is a bit sad, but oh well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my future videos as well. If you have any comments or questions, please let them down below, and I'll see you later. Bye!